Are your weeknight dinners at home consistently placed on the back burner because of busy evening schedules? If so, don't let your dinner suffer. Try meal prepping so that putting a meal on the table will be quick and easy. Here are some basic tips to help you get started on your meal planning journey. On the weekend, plan out meals for the upcoming week. To save time during meal preparation, plan to incorporate the same protein source or ingredients into more than one meal during the week. For example, lean ground beef can be used during the week in stuffed peppers, tacos, chili, and stir fry. Additionally, stick to meals with fewer ingredients on busier nights and plan to make each recipe last for more than one meal. Take inventory of the ingredients that you already have and create a list of what you will need to purchase. Go grocery shopping the day before you prepare your ingredients to make the process simpler. Prepare fresh ingredients. Wash all produce and cut up varieties that won't dry out quickly, such as broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, green beans, potatoes, and sweet potatoes. Keep all ingredients for a single meal in the same spot in the fridge so they will be easy to locate. Grains can be time-consuming to prepare. Many types freeze well, so prepare large batches of barley, quinoa, or brown or white rice ahead of time. Divide into pint-size or quart-size freezer bags after they have cooled completely and place in the freezer to use at another time. To thaw, microwave with a little water or warm over low heat in a saucepan with liquid as needed. The grains are now ready to be added to your meal. Meat can be portioned out for individual meals and frozen as well. Make sure to label all ingredients with the meal they will be used for, along with the date. After your meal is prepared, save leftovers for lunch or dinner the next day, or freeze them to use at a later time. Soups, stews, meats, and casseroles all freeze well.